Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually coming on the Monday to the Sunday. I wanted to watch the royal wedding and it was my partner's birthday, so I didn't have time to edit. So it's coming for Monday, but it's exciting, so that's okay. So today's video is pink parcel time. Now, if you watched my last video, I did mention that I had managed to bag this for £1. I found a code and I managed to get it for £1. I would get this regularly, but I'm not regular. You'll see why. So there's no point me having this every month. But basically, if you don't know what it is, Pink Parcel is a monthly, cover my face, it's a monthly subscription box, and in it comes with, oh, I've got a little cap always. It's a female period box, and in it each month it has pads or tampons or mixture of both, whatever you choose, and then you get a box with beauty stuff in it, which is really nice. And it always comes with a really, really nice little bag, which is great because it comes with everything you need. Panty liners, you know, all sorts of stuff. So if you're squeamish, meh, whatever. But it's a good way to get a really cool subscription box, can't get my words out today, beauty and personal stuff, because at the end of the day, each month you probably spend around about £12 anyway, so you're getting extras too, so that's brilliant. So let's dive in. I've not had a look. I'm gonna rip the seal. Okay, so inside it's got leaflets. It's always bright and colourful. Amazing. I don't reuse these boxes personally because they're a bit flimsy, but they are really, really good. They do come in an envelope, so I just took it off. So okay, so this month, I did see this on some other people's videos. This month it does come with an envelope, which is already paid for, packaging, postage, that's the one. And what it is leftover period stuff like pads and tampons and things. You can actually send them to people who really need them. And believe it or not, in the UK and abroad, but mainly in the UK, period poverty is a thing. People can't afford them and it sucks. So that's a really, really good way of giving back. I really like that. I might do that actually. And then we've got a Ocado, which I use online shopping, so I use that. I might keep my eyes out for that. Again, no leaflets. And then each month you get a little like catalogue of what's in there, beauty tips, things like that. Okay, and I'll leave my referral code so you can get £5 off your first box too. So let's dive in. Okay, let's dive in, shall we? So each month I'm going to get the boxes out. Yeah, so we've got really, really nice. So that says for night. Sorry, I'm a bit scatty today. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I want to get this filmed because it's quite the end of the month already. And this is May's Pink Parcel. So yeah, so you got night. I've opted for pads this time. That's just me personally. I don't really talk about periods, it doesn't bother me. So you get your night. You get quite a few as well. It's really good. You get for later, which is really, really good. Also, you've got like loads of like just normal everyday pads or tampons or whatever you choose, or both, or whatever. And each month you get a little drawstring bag, which is so cute. This one's like palm trees, I would say. It says for now, and in it has some pads and it has some panty liners as well. I chose Always, so you know there's different brands on there, but I actually use these for makeup or chargers or jewellery or whatever I want to put in my handbag and I don't want to lose. And pads actually, so that's really cute. They are cute, and you can put stuff in there like cotton pads and all sorts of stuff. So let's get to the exciting bit, the For You box, which is a box that I love. Feels quite heavy this month. I'm excited. I've not watched any videos of spoilers, so yeah. The reason why it's so late is because the only date they had was the 14th. And it actually came Friday, so I only had the weekend. Ooh, nice stuff. Okay, I'm going to pull things out at random. And let's go with it. Okay, so the first one we've got is the Nano Bay Natural and Organic Orange Juice Hand Cream, 35 ml. I'm just going to refer back to the catalogue and have a look how much this is. Okay, so this is, it's £11.50 for 100 ml. So I'll put the price on the screen roughly how much that is. That's 35 ml. So I imagine this is a travel, but it's quite a big travel. That's what that looks like. Let's see if it does smell like orange juice, because I drink orange juice every day. Pop it on. It's just a white cream. Okay. Pop it in. Oh, that's good. Doesn't feel sticky or anything. Oh my goodness. That smells like freshly squeezed oranges. Oh my goodness. That's going to be lovely for the summer. Especially in the day, because at the moment I use the Body Shop Hemp one at night time and in the day. And it is really, really good. But in the day, to pop in my handbag, oh my goodness, that smells fantastic. Okay, I'm really happy. I've really wanted to open this box for ages. Okay, so let's go with the next item. I'm going to rush through these quite quickly. I always say that, but it's a really like 20-minute video. Is the Lartsy Cosmetics pencil. It says various. Should I read the description? Yeah, I'll read the description. Okay, so the Nano Bay hand cream says, Nano Bay's hand cream is formulated with shea butter and aloe vera to combat dry skin, redness. Plus the orange juice scent is delicious. This is an indulgent emulsion your manicure has been crying out for. So that is true. It does smell good. Okay, so the next one is the Lartsy, I'm probably butchering that, lip pencil. Backed by popular demand, we have a whole host of new Lartsy lip pencil shades. This month you'll receive one of our sultry 4 shades and a lustrous gold eye pencil. That's perfect for highlighting, even for adding an iridescent sheen to the lips. Okay, that's pretty cool. I have a cat there, so okay. So I have actually got one of these, but I've got a eyeliner, a blue one. It is really good. It's like a navy blue one. I don't know what I got it from, but I got it from a beauty box. So this is what it looks like. They are featured in quite a lot of beauty boxes, this brand. And this is £18 in its full size. Retro red, okay. Okay, so it's more on the pinky side of a red, and that's what that looks like. And it's more of a pinky red. I might see if there's any other blogger friends that want to swap, because I do wear red, but I have a lot of red lip liners already, so yeah, really good. And that is £18 and that's full size. Ooh, so happy. Okay, I'm feeling a bit crazy, can you tell? Okay, so the next item is, so each month you get a tea bag, or a tea bag, a drink, or a chocolate. So the chocolate this month is Conscious Raw Organic Chocolate Bars, 85% cocoa solids, free from dairy, gluten and soya, naturally sweetened with agave nectar. Oh, that's brilliant, and that's vegan as well. Good date on it, till next year. Really good, super cute. It's not actually on there, because it's classed as an extra, I think. Oh, no, it is on there. Okay, so this is 80p for 15 grams, and that is 15 grams, so that's 80p. That's really good for vegan chocolate, actually, because, to be honest, sorry, my back's hurting quite a bit. Vegan chocolate can be quite expensive, so that's pretty good, actually, and I'm going to give that a go, because whenever I get from the gym, whatever, I really fancy something sweet, and I've been so naughty lately. Like, all I've been doing is eating cake, so that's really, really good. I'm going to have that with a cup of coffee. We've got some sachets in here. Okay, so we've got the Anatomatics Sud, the lot of you. Brilliant, love it. Get Lost Grime Body Cleanser. Marvellous Mango and Papaya. Okay, this sachet, is it a sachet? Is it a tin? It's a cardboard box. No, it's a recycling one. Oh my god, that's brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant. Okay, so this is a 15 ml sachet, and it says escape from everyday reality and transport yourself to a tropical paradise by surrounding yourself with exotic scents of papaya and mango. $3.75 for 300 ml. Brilliant. I can't wait to try that in the summer. It'll be really, really nice. I'm going to try that soon actually because it's so hot here. It's crazy. I'm not even going to get dressed in on. I'm not even going to address the amazing royal wedding and how lovely she looked because we'll be here all day. But I'm so glad they actually had really nice weather. So the last, no, ignore me. The next thing we've got, last sachet, is the Optinate face mask. Doesn't feel like there's anything in it. I think it might be a powder. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Yes, it's a powder. It says mixed powder with a little warm water to form a paste. And it is vegan, sustainable, organic, 100%. Marshmallow root, English hemp and activated charcoal. Okay, so it's this is 1 gram and it's made in England, which is great because I love supporting cruelty-free brands and I love supporting small businesses. Get the spa feeling going wherever you are by mixing up your own hemp face mask made with 100% natural ingredients. The combo of high quality ingredients will polish away dead skin cells effectively and quickly. And it's $17.99 for 30 grams, and that's a gram. So that's really good. You could get about 3 or 4 face masks out of that, I reckon. So that's good. So we have a drink. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy it's not tea. I love tea. I have so many, I love herbal tea. I drink green tea like every day. I have so many sachets of tea. My last unboxing, I think, was a tea box. It's slightly overwhelming, and I'm very spoilt for choice, so it's nice to get something different. And it's 99.9% caffeine free, it's gluten free, and it's one of my favourite drinks. I have it all the time when I'm out and about, mainly in the winter actually, but I'm gonna have this at home because I actually buy chai tea bags. It's a chai drink. It's the Drink Me Chai. It's an instant blend of aromatic spices with skimmed milk, sweetened black tea. I actually get the chai tea bags and I actually put it in soy milk on the hob for about 10 minutes. Don't let it boil, just let it simmer and infuse, and it is delicious. But I'm gonna have this because it's so good. Although it has got milk in it, it should be okay. And it's vegetarian. We donate a percentage of our profits to Parcel, a charity helping disadvantaged children in India to read. Oh, that's really good. So that's really good. If you've not tried it, do give them a go. Like, I know Costa and Starbucks and probably local cafes sell them. It's quite aromatic. It's not like coffee at all, so it's not got coffee in it. So that's brilliant. Really, really nice. I'm definitely going to give that a go. I'm happy, can you tell? And how much is that? Okay, so it's £2.50 for £2.30 for 250 grams. It says switch up your morning cuppa for something a little sweeter. Stir the powerful blend of spices and black teas or hot milk or alternative dairy. Okay, to enjoy a taste of India. Now that's confusing because there's alternative dairy, but it does contain milk powder. So if you're vegan, not so good. But I will try it with soy milk anyway and just give it a go. And you can buy that from Tesco. And the last item, sorry, I'm just looking down a lot. I need to stop doing that in videos. It's wrapped up. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so it's vegan by Dr. Botanics. Coconut oil rejuvenating body exfoliating bar. Oh my goodness, that smells delicious. I'm going to use these two together, and that's what that looks like. This is full size, and I saw that everybody got a popper seed one in a Birchbox or a pink parcel, I'm not too sure, and it was a popper seed one, and I'm so jealous because I just didn't get it. But oh my gosh, that smells so good. And that says an antioxidant rich and collagen inducing coconut ranks highly in, hang on, let me read that again. It's antioxidant rich and collagen inducing. Coconut ranks highly in the Shelfie Heroes League. The shredded fruit gently exfoliates the skin while the creamy oil deeply hydrates for locked in moisture. And this is £19.90 and it is full size. Wow. So if you pay 12 quid for this box, like, that on its own is worth more than the box. And I know Dr. Botanics is expensive because I actually test some stuff now and then. Like I get like stuff and I pay for it, like, and like everyone loves the Moroccan rose facial oil, and it is expensive. And it smells delicious. It smells like a coconut pina colada. Coconuts for you, you're not gonna like this. So, and I paid £1 for this. So always keep your eye out for your emails. Even though I'm not subscribed to them anymore, I do get emails sometimes with codes. So do keep your eye out for that. And that is everything. So I'll like add everything up on the screen. And I'll like literally, I'll try and hold everything up. But I'll add everything up on the screen. And I will tell you how much it is. But 19, I would say £1. That's got to be, this is got to be about £7, 80p, £18. So you can see this is worth a lot, and you get in your every monthly period essentials. So check it out, guys. I'll leave a link below. I'll try and do my referral code down below so that you can get £5 off your first box. And that is everything. I will speak to you soon, and goodbye.